literally nothing was planned. It just kind of went boom. I've always been the type of guy to where if I see a door open, I'm gonna peek and I'm gonna look inside and see what's behind that door. And if I like it, I'm gonna bust through the door wide open with everything I got. And that's basically what happened here. My name's Pete and I own GCI Turf. We do lawn care, fertilizer, weed control. And then we also have a maintenance side where they do mowing and pruning, pine needles and all that kind of thing. 15 or 16 years ago, roughly, I got fired from a job or something I didn't do. And it's kind of funny because this all happened the year me and my wife were getting married. And so you can imagine what she was going through. Man, I'm marrying this guy and he ain't got no job. You know what I mean? So I had to jump into something. So we picked lawn care. I always was infatuated with what makes grass grow, what makes it green, how can I make it better? And my neighbor down the street was asking me about grass. And so I helped him out. And lo and behold, his buddy said, help me out. And so it kind of spiraled from just a simple conversation of, can you help me with your yard? And then we were up to 600 or 700 clients, and I was trying to get the words right to explain something. I can't remember exactly what it was. So I loaded a video to YouTube and showed them what we were doing, and happened to read the comment section in the video, and people were saying, well, how do you do this? How do you do that? So the YouTube thing just exploded out of nowhere, which led to things you see here, a full-blown e-commerce situation. For the longest time, I had been watching Ventrac videos on YouTube, and it was mesmerizing that one tractor could do so many different things. And I didn't have the income to justify getting one at the time, and so I kind of put it on the back burner, kept working hard. Finally got to a point to where I wanted to buy a piece of equipment for the business, and I chose the Ventrac. And I built that tractor exactly like I wanted it. And we come down literally to the week I was gonna go purchase the tractor. And all of a sudden, what you see here came available for us to buy. Because we haven't owned this property since day one. We rented for 8 or 9 years. So I had a big decision to make. Do I go buy a Ventrac? Or do I buy this property that I've been waiting to buy for years? So we decided to do the smart thing, and we bought the property. And I still ended up buying the tractor, and it turned out to be something pretty incredible on my end.